I'll gear it up to do that. Here we go. I was just waiting on that.
And I waited on it every day. I just wanted to be catching things.
Yeah, he wanted to go to plumbing, and he was doing it all yesterday, last night.
Yeah. I thought it was to go over.
We're in dangerous get first right now. We're doing. All right, we're good. Just take where you want it.
All right, thank you.
Want anything else?
I should have an offset.
All right. Right behind you.
I'm ready to come down there with you anyway.
What'd you do? You're right.
I got one.
Do it. So what you doing out here?
I'm cutting insulation for a 16-inch round pipe. That way your duct is proper temperature. Instead of sweating in the attic where it's not needed.
Well, I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Now I gotta take it to the man inside so he can insulate it.
You're handling all of the itchy stuff then.
That's why I'm wearing the gloves there.
Ugh. I'll follow you in here.
All right. And I'm gonna hand it up here to him and he's gonna get it insulated for you. Yeah. I'm gonna need another, at least one. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What y'all doing? Supervising?
Washing the hard workers.
I just came out to watch for me. We're fighting Dennis's phone. It's not, he's running out of storage. Wow. It's tempting to crawl in one of those. They look warm.
Okay, it's about 2:45. I finally got my phone back. We've been trying to download videos, and they just took forever. I was having issues sending them to Diana, and she had to kind of fool the system to get it going. So while I was offline, Josh and Morgan with Hayes Plumbing showed up, and they Morgan's got our laundry room drains and vents ran, and the Sturch guys have been very hard at it, and I missed a lot of what they were doing. Brandon and Matt had to leave, go pick up their kids, but we got Braden and John still here. They're working on finishing hooking up the drops. I guess they're called drops. And they're going to work on getting them done. But we got a lot of AC duct ran. Like I said, these guys are hooking this stuff up. Matt worked on the stuff up here in the system and hooking up a lot of the plenums, ducts up there. While Brandon and Matt were up here hooking up all this stuff up here in the attic, Mr. John and Mr. Braden were busy down here putting together the ductwork and insulating it. These guys are gonna finish up what they can today, and then Brandon will be back tomorrow. Matt said he's done with this. He's the tech that comes out and troubleshoots any problems we have, and I told him, well, I don't mean to sound hateful, but I hope I never see you again. He said, unless it's at Walmart, and I said, absolutely. So this is kind of where we're at. These guys are hard at work finishing up the AC. Mr. Morgan's in here playing in the shower, trying not to get wet. But he is putting in our drains and stuff and working on getting water run. Our faucets are going to be right here where you walk into the shower, so that you don't get wet when you turn it on, and the shower head will be on the opposite side there. And then he's going to punch a hole through this wall, put his spigot out there, and then back over here in the utility room. Right in there-ish somewhere. They'll poke a hole through the wall and give us a spigot out there. Alright, sign off. My battery's about dead.